The Air Jordan 3 Orange Citrus enters the spotlight as a refreshing yet nostalgic chapter in the enduring story of the Air Jordan 3. For years, the Orange Citrus concept existed only in early samples and collector conversations, making this official release a meaningful moment for longtime sneaker enthusiasts. Now the design finally arrives with a clean presentation that blends heritage style with bright energy. The sneaker features a premium white leather upper that forms the foundation of the shoe, delivering durability and a classic Jordan aesthetic. Soft gray synthetic panels provide lightweight structure and flexibility while helping improve breathability. One of the most recognizable elements appears at the toe and heel where citrus orange elephant print overlays add bold texture and visual contrast. Subtle fire red Jumpman logos complete the signature identity. Underfoot, a foam midsole with air cushioning supports comfort and impact absorption, while the rubber outsole delivers reliable traction. Scheduled for an April 4th release at $205 in women's sizing, this long-anticipated colorway celebrates both history and modern sneaker culture.